Learn the basic concepts, tools, and functions that you will need to generate qualified traffic with the popular affiliate marketplace, Clickbank. Build a strong foundation in traffic generation and Clickbank marketing with this tutorial for beginners. Quora account setup the right way. Target the most profitable keywords. Use images to increase click-through rate. Provide quality answers on autopilot. A powerful skill at your fingertips. Learning the fundamentals of Quora puts a powerful and very useful tool at your fingertips. Quora is free, easy to learn, has excellent traffic, and is the base for generating Clickbank sales. Traffic is plentiful, and being able to learn Quora will give you a strong foundation to more easily pick up other marketing strategies such as paid advertisements. Content and overview. Suitable for beginning programmers. Through this course of 11 lectures of content, you'll learn all of the Quora fundamentals and establish a strong understanding of the concept behind generating traffic for Clickbank. Each section closes with extra documentation and assistance, putting your new learned skills into practical use immediately. Starting with the account creation, this course will take you through Quora question targeting, answering, and traffic generation. By creating value through autopilot answers, you'll establish a strong understanding of Quora. With these basics mastered, the course will take you through the Clickbank sales process by teaching you how to use questions, answers, and linking to generate traffic to your Clickbank products. Students completing the course will have the knowledge to produce qualified traffic for Clickbank products. Complete with assistance files and examples, you'll be able to work alongside the instructor as you work through each concept, and will receive a verifiable certificate of completion upon finishing the course.